Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about functions versus relations. All of this lesson should be a review to you, so we're just going to kind of go back over those vocabulary words and talk a little bit about the different types of ways that we can show functions. Alright, so we're going to start with just the coordinate plane. Coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane formed by the intersection of a horizontal axis and a vertical axis. The x-axis is our horizontal axis of the coordinate plane. The y-axis is the vertical axis of the coordinate plane. And the origin is where the x and y axes intersect. Once our axes intersect, they form the four sections of the coordinate plane, which we call quadrants. What I'd like you to do now is to take this list and label all the parts of the coordinate plane. Go ahead and pause the video now. Alright, let's come over here. Ordered pairs are two numbers written in a specific order which indicate the position of a point on the coordinate plane. The x-coordinate is the first number of the ordered pair. It tells the location of the point in relation to the x-axis. The y-coordinate is the second number of the ordered pair. It tells the location of the point in relation to the y-axis. If we were to label our ordered pairs, it would look like this. First, we have just our ordered pair. It is always written inside parentheses. The first number is always our x-coordinate. Second number is always our y-coordinate. A relation is any set of ordered pairs. So for example, we could take any ordered pair we want, put a group of them together. Now because the key word here is set, we have to put it inside curly brackets. So just like when we did set builder notation, we have to put it inside those curly brackets. So what I'd like you to do right now, as a try on your own, is just come up with three different ordered pairs. So we have our curly brackets, and then inside each set of parentheses, you're going to put two numbers, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. Remember, they don't need to be related in any specific way. It could just be any three random ordered pairs. Go ahead and fill that in now. Okay, let's talk about functions. A function is a very special type of relation where each x value is matched up with exactly one y value. So when we come down here and we take a look at this, we want to say, is this relation a function? Okay. So all I really want to look at are my x values. I've got a 9, a -3, and a 1. So since all my x values are different, that means that they're all matched up with exactly one y value. So when we're looking at an ordered pair, we really just want to look at the x values. If they're all different, then it is a function. So we can say, yes, all of the x values are different. Okay. Now, for the try on your own, I want you to come down here and I want you to add an ordered pair to this function so that it will remain a function. And then I want you to add an ordered pair so that it'll make this set not a function. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, let's go to the next page. Now, I want you to use the following ordered pairs to make a mapping diagram, a table, and a graph. So you're going to make your mapping, a table, and then graph those points. Okay, go ahead, pause your video now. Okay, let's come down here, and we're going to talk about a vertical line test. A vertical line test states that in order for a graph to be a function, a vertical line can pass through only one point at any given spot on the graph. So vertical line test is only used when we're looking at graphs. All right, so I want you to go ahead and try on your own. Here are some more examples. We have a table, a mapping, and a graph. I want you to determine if each one is a function or a relation. Right? They're all going to be relations, but if it's specifically a function, then we call it a function. If it's not a function, then we say it's just a relation. Right? And then this is the end of the video, so you can go ahead and stop the video now.